Eh, meron ditong malaking dice. Okay, so Ascot cares, stay sustainably. Scan to learn more about Ascot cares. Yeah, may QR code. Then next, leave the linens. Save up to 60 liters of water a day with a sustainable linen arrangement. Place this on your bed if you don't require a linen change. Ayan, so kung hindi naman daw kailangan palitan, lagay natin dyan. Next is hang it up. So save up to 60 liters of water a day with a sustainable towel arrangement. Hang your towels to reuse them and place on the sink for the change. Ayan yung towel. Kung subject to replacement, ilagay na lang dito sa sink. Switch it off. So up to 15 tons of CO2 is generated for a single room for a year. Switch off the lights and air conditioning when not needed. Right. So ito yung switches ng hotels. Next is temperature just right. As our responsibility towards environmental conservation, air conditioning will be set with a minimum temperature of 24 degrees C. This measures not only promotes energy efficiency but contributes to preventing Mother Earth for future generations. So, sa ngayon, hindi ako gumagamit ng AC. Okay naman yung temp sa room. Right, next is Sip and Save. A plastic bottle can take up to 1,000 years to degrade, leaving waste for the future generation. Sip and Save with our sustainable drinking water solutions. So, meron drinking fountain sa labas. Pwedeng kuhanan ng tubig. Meron pa ba? Hang it up. Just right temperature. Switch it off. Stay sustainably. Leave the linens. And yan. So, ito yung mga nakasulat dito. So, dahil di pa naman tayo magpapapalit ng linens, yan, iwanan muna natin yan dyan.